This bed is where I keep the dill. Previously I have cleaned this bed out, but you can see there's a couple of weeds that did come back up through the soil, and now they're easy to find and pick out because most of them are gone. I did put some bedding straw around the bottom of the plant. So I've had these sitting back, hardening off, which is just the process of when you start plants in the house from seed. I just sprinkled seeds in here. Still, it's okay to have more in one cell. You can see the roots trying to come up here. So these white things are the roots of the plants, the weeds that I previously pulled out. And they're expending all their energy to get to the surface again. So the more I pull them and the more I smother them, the more the roots won't survive. So I'm just going to take this dill. Best way for most plants is just to tip it up. You want to be gentle with it. These roots aren't too root bound, so I'm not too worried about it. Just making the hole big enough. Plant that in. I'm going to keep the level about the same. And we'll add this little pot. I didn't grow a lot of dill this year. Pulling these little weeds out. This one back here. There's a little dill that is coming up over here from last year. Otherwise, the dill didn't seem to come up after I seeded. Oh, I lied. There's a little dill back here. Maybe it just wasn't its time. Okay, again, whoops. Give it a little tap. Push on the sides if you have to. Fall into your hand. Keep the level about the same. And plant it in. After I had cleaned this bed, I brought the dill out so that it could harden off, which is just the process of getting it used to the harshness of the sun. And the outdoor elements. We did have a freeze last night, or a frost, I should say. And I think, all in all, most of my plants that were out here were fine, but most of them are perennials. So that's really easy. And then the only thing I'm going to do is put some straw, bedding straw on. See you in a minute. Okay, and through the magic of electronics, you'll see that I have now put seedling straw down over the bed. A couple of reasons. One, it will protect the bed from weeds being able to easily sprout up. It'll keep the soil moist, so when the weeds do pop up, the weeds will be easy to pull. So there was a little dill here. There was one over there that I left that did come up from last year. So now I'll just watch. I'll watch to see if I see dill coming up, or if it's grass or something else, I'll pull it if it's a weed. But I will leave this bed primarily for dill. The other thing to mention is I will be going and watering this bed, and the reason that you water, especially where you just planted, is you want to get rid of those giant air pockets that you've just made. And because roots don't grow through air pockets. So this way your seeds will be able to settle in, have something to drink after being moved around a bit, and they'll be good to go. So that's dill.